The handstand kick-up to handstand push-up is an advanced bodyweight exercise that primarily targets the shoulders. By kicking up into a handstand between every handstand push-up rep, it adds a nice mix of cardio to this exercise. To get started, to get into the handstand, I'm doing the 2 feet kick-up advanced progression by kicking up both feet at the same time. If you're new to kicking up to a handstand, start by kicking up 1 foot at a time. To complete the handstand kick-up to the handstand push-up, while facing a wall, bend over and place your hands on the floor approximately 6 inches from the wall with a slightly wider than shoulder width grip. Kick up into the handstand with both feet at the same time, or if you're a beginner, kick up 1 foot at a time. As you kick up, place your heels against the wall. Before completing the push-up, focus on pulling in your ribs and contracting your core to create a strong straight line with your body. Keeping your body tight, complete 1 handstand push-up by slowly bending your elbows to lower the top of your head towards the floor. Once the top of your head taps the floor, press your hands through the floor to extend your elbows and get back to the top of the push-up. Under control, lower both legs back to the floor at the same time, or if you're a beginner, lower 1 leg at a time. Immediately kick back up into the handstand and repeat another handstand push-up. Repeat for time or reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.